Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1501 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. To the right, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, as well as the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And we have the open wardrobe area right here. We have extra pillows right above, place to hang your items on, an umbrella, bathrobes, hangers, an ironing board, a torchlight, an iron, and the ironing board is right here. We have bedroom slippers below, laundry stuff. Right in there is the in-room safe, and we have storage right there and down below, and a place to put your luggage right above. We have a light switch right there, and a power outlet down below. Okay, so this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Further inside, we have a mirror. And if we slide this open, we have the bathroom. To the left, we have another mirror with lights on either side of it. We have the sink, tissues, all the bathroom amenities, storage below, the bin, towels. That's a weighing scale in there. We have a mirror right there as well. Power outlets for shavers. And here we have the bathtub with more towels and a shelf to put your soaps and whatnot on. Right in here, it's a toilet. Well, right in here is the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower right above and the handheld shower right there. And there's another mirror right there. Okay, so hello. Here we have the bedroom area with a place to hang your coat on, a sofa-like thing, a very comfortable bed. On the right bedside table, we have storage drawers. This is the TV remote, writing materials, an in-room telephone, power outlet, the climate control panel, various light switches, and the light is right above. Here we have the pantry area with tea and coffee making stuff, a coffee machine, bottles of water, power outlets. Here we have the fridge, which is empty, so you can put your own items in. And here we have all the mugs and glasses. And we have the kettle below. Okay, so right there, we have the flat screen LG TV. The desk is right there with the desk chair and obviously the light. And here we have storage drawers, you have power outlets in here, together with a HDMI port and a USB-A port. Here we have a coffee table with some welcome snacks for me, I guess. Another sofa-like thing. And on the left bedside table, we have light and storage below. Right here as well, we have more light switches and another power outlet. Since it is nighttime right now, you can't see much out, but we have the open air car park that's behind the hotel. You can see the road next to the hotel and housing and buildings right around the hotel area. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1501 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.